Rajeshri Karapurkar Bandodkar.
Bandodkar Karapurkar.
Okay.
Okay.
Tell us about your books, please.
Rico, what I have done is I write popularized science for children in Konkani and Marathi and English, but primarily in Konkani because I feel it's the need of the hour that we write to make science very interesting for children, especially to rural children.
You have been doing this for how many years?
My first book was out in 2005, and before that, 3-4 years I've been writing for Sunaprant, then which is that? Romi.
East.
Vavrada, so East. I wrote for
I
them.
see.
And after that, many people said, since you are writing on the newspapers and they used to like the article, they said, why don't you bring it out in the form of
books?
Okay.
So you're a scientist with an interest in writing, would that be right?
I would say I'm a physics person.
Okay.
I won't call myself
MSc,
a scientist.
MSc
in physics. I teach for 11th, 12th physics.
Where?
Also, I teach in Pharmagudi. And let me tell you one thing, that has also helped me to get into this very seriously because Pharmagudi, we get children from all over those rural places like villages, barik villages. Okay, and when I used to explain to them physics, I always found that in English things were very difficult. They wouldn't understand.
Very complex.
Very complex for them. And
Alien.
Yes. And physics is first of all known to be a very difficult subject. Okay, they say.
Yeah.
But then that made me talk to my children, my students in Konkani.
Yeah.
So I started explaining the same difficult topics in Konkani.
But it must be very difficult, no? Because as it is, physics is an esoteric subject. How do you get the terms?
See, the terms, there is always the term, I keep it as a term, but I explain that term in Konkani in a very elaborative way.
Okay.
So that they understand the term very easily then. Okay, and that's the reason they started loving physics. They now my students, they love physics. And that made me write books.
It is quite a tough job considering that Konkani is a small language and that higher education is overwhelmingly in English today.
See, I don't talk about that because I feel English is necessary. I don't say that education should be in Konkani, but I am sticking to one point that my science, which is supposed to be a very difficult subject,
should reach the common man.
And if I am able to explain to any community in their own language, and if that helps my students, I think there is nothing more.
So
I'm a winner.
Tell us about your books.
This is my first book with Gyan Yogi. It's life history of 22 scientists.
Okay. Global scientists.
Global physicists, basically all physicists because
so
I love my
bias,
physicists.
Your bias shows. I'm just joking.
My love shows.
Okay.
I love my physics.
Okay.
But then I have written it in not like biography, but I have written it in such a way that I know after studying them, I realized that they have come through hard life, or most of the scientists have come through hard life. So I want to convey that to my rural children that nothing is difficult, nothing is impossible. See, they have also done it like this.
You can do it. Anyone can. Anyone
can be a scientist. And I think this
Vidyan Yogi, which year?
This was brought out in 2005.
2005. First.
And till date, Golden Heart Emporium has been ordering every now and then.
I see. Because students also need it in school.
Students need it.
In school.
Students need it, and somehow I had good reviews. Somehow that time Goa Board of Education and Education Department had sent circulars about this book to all schools.
I see.
Maybe the content teachers must have liked. I must say that. So first book. Then my next book is Saimakadin Sawar. Okay, it's dialogue with nature.
Okay.
Again, in this book now, the characters are sparrow or tree.
Can we just open? Okay.
Sorry. A frog or something like that. I also talks to a child.
I see.
So what I want to convey here is that every little thing in this universe communicates.
Living and non-living?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely. And we should be open enough to understand the communication. you know. So I want to make a child sensitive to these
I see.
issues also, that please don't do this. Here like one flower is saying, ki, why do you just use me as in a bouquet? Like, you will be spoiling these bouquets in the evening, the bouquets are in the waste bin.
Yeah.
So why do you do that? Let me live on a plant and let me just live like you all live. Why do you do this? So this kind of issues I've handled in this book. I'm happy, whatever I've written, I'm happy about it. And I'm also happy that many children, they give me calls and they say that, I remember in many years back, Auntie, do you think, in Konkani, of
Yeah.
course, त्यांनी विचारलं की फुला खरेच उलयतात?
I see. They give you calls, they call you up.
And yeah, one boy called me up, Auntie, खरेच फुला उलयतात? I said, now what to tell him? I said, yeah, to me they talk, and I'm sure when you grow up, you will understand and they'll talk to you also. So
Okay,
that's,
okay.
that's the pleasure I derive. My third Konkani book is Marbakade and Samvad.
Yeah.
Okay. This is on astronomy.
I see.
I am into astronomy as well.
I see.
I would rather say basic. I always love to see the skies and understand the basics of that.
Yeah.
And I'm a member of Association of Astronomy since
Yeah.
past 25 years.
I see.
So I've been doing all this work. So I thought, ki, why not try it or create that love for the skies. That made me write. This is again interactive, illustrative. All my books are interactive and illustrative because child has to connect themselves with this. So that's
Right.
the reason. Then the next book is, this is Marathi, Taryanच्या वनात स्वप्नाची
I see.
सहल.
I see.
Okay, it's again similar to Marbakade and Samvad. It's on astronomy, but
I
you know,
see.
every book of mine, I never translate it. I
create it.
always create a new thing.
The English also is there, no?
Yes.
Which is that? Which is
Space Talks.
Space Talk. Same,
Yeah.
similar series.
Similar.
Okay.
But again, the script there is
I see.
different. But it's on astronomy where moon and other planets, they talk to the children when they go on a space voyage. Okay. Illustrative things. So these are my creations. This is my love.
We will just go to the VCDs in the next, because
yeah.
my battery is running short. So.
Okay. Okay, sure. Thanks.